Hi folks, today I am preparing yellow pumpkin sabzi. Beyond its delicious taste, pumpkin is nutritious and linked to many health benefits. So here I am taking 400 gram of yellow pumpkin and diced it in a small pieces. So I will wash it thoroughly and will make a recipe. Watch till the end, you will be amazed, it's so easy. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and heat it. Mustard oil is or coconut oil is very beneficial in for the weight loss. So here I am adding 1 spoon of fenugreek seed. It's very important. It controls all the problems related to the cough and vrat. So I will roast it. Now I will add red chili and green chili. So you can skip the red chili or you can totally avoid the chilies also. So I will roast it till the golden brown. So the cucurbitaceae family is vegetable na. You have to make recipes with fenugreek seeds or mustard seeds because it's going very delicious along with it. See, so I am roasting very nicely in oil, so all the aroma of the spices has mixed. Now I am adding chunk of the pumpkin, so add it and cover to cook for 2 to 3 minutes at the low heat. Pumpkin is a high fiber vegetable, so it helps in digestion. So here I am adding salt as per the taste and mix thoroughly. Cover it and cook for 5 to 6 minutes at low heat. Pumpkin has protein, also vitamin A, C, potassium and copper as well. So it is an immune booster recipe. And here 5 minutes has passed and I will mix it again thoroughly and cooked it. See, after 7 minutes pumpkin has cooked very perfectly. See, all the pumpkin has cooked very perfectly. So at this stage I am adding mango pickle. It's a sour and tasty pickle. If you don't have, you can add tamarind pulp, or if you can add lemon juice also. So whatever you have available in your kitchen, you can add it and again mix it well and cook for a while by covering it. High antioxidant property reduce the free radicals in your body, so it also linked to chronic illness like heart diseases and cancer. So here our recipe has been cooked perfectly, so it's ready to serve now. I am here garnishing with dry kasuri methi, or you can garnish with cilantro or green coriander leaves. You can serve with chapati or paratha. So try it today only in your kitchen and write back to me. Don't forget to like and share. It will make my day. Thanks for watching.